Well, good morning, everybody. Here we are back in the kitchen. Jeff from Rust Bucket Valley. It's a Saturday morning. We have a quick little dish that is a family favorite, and we'd like to show you how to prepare that. This is called Texas hash. The ingredients that you need are a pound of ground beef. You need 3 Roma tomatoes, a can of crushed tomatoes, and 1 can of tomato sauce. You need a little bit of water, okay? And you throw it all in a pot with a little bit of chili powder, and you use 2 cups of rice, and you cook all that together, and you come up with a very, very good meal. Very fulfilling. So we'll show the steps on how to take and put this together. First thing you do is you put the meat into a casserole pot, and you brown the meat. And as soon as we finish that, we'll be back with you. Okay, so we finished browning the meat, and then we're going to take and add the canned goods to the mix. Okay, so we've chopped up the 3 Roma tomatoes. We cut them in half, and then cut those half again, and then you cut them like 5 times, okay, to get smaller pieces. We've added that to our ground beef mixture, and also the can of crushed tomatoes and the can of tomato sauce. We have added 2 cups of just regular rice, not the quick cooking rice, just regular rice. And the brown stuff in here is chili powder. You can put a little bit of onion in there to spice it up just a little bit. So we're going ahead and add our liquid in there on top of this. For the rice, we are going to add 4.5 cups of water. Okay, and then we're going to put this on a simmer for 50 minutes, 50. Okay, and we'll show you what it looks like when it's ready. So here's the finished product. Garnish with a little bit of cheese after it's cooked for 50 minutes. Need a little something to drink, and we're ready to go. Hope you enjoy this recipe, and as much as you enjoyed the lasagna recipe. So take a crack at it, see what you can come up with. This is kind of a basic recipe. You can make it to suit your own taste. Put a little bit more chili powder, put other things in there, but this is a real good starter. Enjoy, and please subscribe, and you will get notifications when we do something new. So have a nice lunch. See you next time.